Guys, I have uploaded a video 2 days back. On that video the mic was not working, so I purchased the mic from the Amazon, that is Boya BY-M1. So this is Anas Ahmed Khan. You are watching the Mobile Wala. Without wasting our time, let's come to the topic. So guys, here is a bag that comes from the Amazon. Let's unbox it. Here we get a GST bill that's come from the Amazon. Let's keep it aside. So here is a mic that's wrapped in bubble wraps. Let's open it. You can play with this. Let's throw it away. So let's open the box. So here you can see that specification of this microphone, the weight, about the cable length, and about the specification. You can use this microphone in smartphone, DSLRs, camcorder, and in the audio recorders. So here is Boya BY-M1, and in front of side we get a QR code for checking the authenticity of this microphone. Let's open it. Here you get a pouch. Let's keep it aside, and here is the user manual for your knowledge. You can read this user manual for your betterment. Here is another user manual in Chinese language too. Let's check out the mic. The pouch quality is really good. Here is the main unit of mic. Let's keep it aside, and here is a churran that you cannot eat. And here is a sachet in which you get the accessories of this microphone. This is foam windscreen, and this is clip, and this is LR44 battery. And this is the main unit of this microphone. The build quality of this microphone is really good. And you can change the mode of camera and smartphone. The length of this microphone is 6 meters. So guys, after the unboxing of this microphone, I am going to tell about it. Guys, this is Boya BY-M1. If we talk about this microphone, so we get here 6 meters of cable, and the weight of this microphone is 2.5 gram, and the power module's weight is 18 gram. Here we have to use a battery that is LR44 that you can easily get from any electronics shop. And here we have 3.5mm jack for the output that you can use in DSLR, audio recorder, and smartphone as well. And if we talk about the price of this microphone, that is quite awesome. You can get this microphone from Amazon under 1300 rupees. Guys, this is sample video that is recording on internal microphone, and this is the sample video that is recording on Boya BY-M1. I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share it to your loved ones. Thanks for watching the Mobile Wala. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.